Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over a USB mic provided by Zingyou. So Zingyou sent me this mic. It's brand new to the market. It came out about 2 weeks ago and I'm one of the lucky ones that they sent to review it, so I want to thank them. But anything that's said about this mic in this review is of my own accord and my own opinion. Same thing. So this is a USB mic, so we know we won't be using phantom power on this mic, and it does come with a USB cable provided. Let's find out the two major things that separate this from the other mics in the same category. Let's get into this video. All right guys, let's start an unboxing of this guy and let's take a look inside and see what we get with the Zingyou USB microphone. Fall in love with your voice. Hopefully you guys will fall in love with my voice. All right, so it's basically telling you here that we promise to provide a 7-day return, 15-day replacement, and 1-year warranty on this. So hold this, and this looks like a user manual and a thank you for purchasing. It tells you what you should get inside here, and it goes over the specifics of our mic. Okay, so the mic comes out of the box as a whole unit with the tripod. So I'm going to tighten this tripod up. There we go. And let's take a look at this for a second. We also have a pop filter right in here also. I'm going to take that out of the box. All right, and we'll take a look at that. So the tripod itself feels like the legs are made out of aluminum, but pretty much everything else is made out of plastic, which is pretty much to be expected for a mic that costs $28. So let's take a look at this overall. It's a pretty sharp looking mic. Also, this mic is a front addressed mic, so you're going to speak right into this front diaphragm, not from the sides here. And then you get this pop filter. Okay, this metal filter with a plastic housing, and this looks like this will just slide right into this unit, and that just went right in, and that gives you a little bit of room for your plosives as you speak into this mic. Now let's see if this comes off the little tripod. So if this is unscrewing, and by the looks, the size of this connection here, this looks like a 5/8 adapter to I can put a 3/8 to a 5/8 adapter and then be able to screw this right in to a boom mic. So I'm gonna try that out. All right, we'll screw that back on and let's take a look at this whole unit. Fold these legs out. We'll tighten this down a little bit. And overall, that's the whole unit. All right, let's plug this baby in. All right, so I'm back at my desk and I'm just about to plug the mic in. I got it right here. And I wanted to just show you again quickly that on the back of this right here, you have that USB-C, you have the headphones jack, and then you have this right here is for the headphone volume or possibly for the gain of the mic. So we're gonna find out whether or not that is just gain or not, or just for the headphones. And so this is the mic overall. Again, I'm gonna put her down here. Now, I did fail to mention that it comes with its own USB cord, that it was present, it was there. So all I'm gonna do is undo this cord. We'll plug the back C part right into the mic and plug this in. And as I'm talking, I'm gonna add this in OBS. All right, so now we're in OBS. We're just gonna go to add audio input capture. We're gonna put USB mic. Okay.
And then right away we see
Zingyou Zy-Udi1 audio device. Just click on that. And now I'm going to mute me. Okay, so now that I'm hooked up to this mic, how does it sound? I mean, this is right out of the box. This is no filters, no nothing. And I'm curious to see how this sounds. So this is the mic up to my mouth, about 4 inches away. And then I'm talking to the side of the mic. And this is what it sounds like to the back of the mic. And then now I am over to the other side of the mic. And now I am speaking right into the front of the mic again. So now the mic is on my desk and I'm approximately 1 foot away from this mic. And this is how it sounds. So now I'm about 2 feet away from this mic and this is how this mic sounds. Straight out of the box, no filters, no nothing. And now I'm about 3 feet away from this mic and this is how this mic sounds. Let's take a look and see how this mic sounds with some headphones in and if we're getting any kind of delay on latency with the headphones. Okay, and now I'm plugged in and right away I hear myself and there is absolutely no delay on this. So I'm hearing myself as I speak with no delay and it sounds perfect. So now the next thing is I'm curious to see as I speak, is this gain control in the back with this knob or just volume for my headphones? So now I'm going down with this knob and I'm going down and I'm going down and I'm going down. Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? So I did watch the levels as I was speaking and the levels went all the way down and also I couldn't hear myself in the mic, in the headphones anymore. So this is not just a headphone jack, this is a slight gain control. So that's nice to have on a price point of $28. So I'm pretty impressed by that. So we have the live headphone jacks, latency free. I don't hear any delay whatsoever. And we have gain control right on the back side of this mic. So my next thing is I'm gonna see if this mic fits on a boom mic and so we can get it off this tripod and people can throw it on a boom and if that's the way they want to use it. So pretty much like I expected, the 3/8 to 5/8 adapter was on my boom mic and I just went and took off the tripod and I went and took this mic and I screwed the mic right onto my boom and it's working absolutely perfect. And I'm about 6 inches away right now as I'm speaking to you. And I went back and listened to a couple things with this mic and I'm really impressed of how it sounds. So I think it looks really great. The pop filter, pickles pepped, pickle pepper pepper. Buddy went to the gym and he picked a punch of peppers. So that's some plosives right there. I mean, I'm a plosive maniac right there, and I don't know how that's going to sound. We'll go back and we'll listen. So for $28 to have a mic with these options, I'm really impressed. I'm so happy that this is above what I believed it was going to be. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. I got it right on the boom and boom, right into here. And it just, I think it looks fantastic also. So this mic worked out pretty well and I could show you right in OBS where my levels are right now. And so I can make adjustments right on the back of this mic if I was to bring these levels down. And everything seems to be working fantastic. So everything that Zingyou is advertising with latency free with the headphones. And then the gain control in the back right there is great. If you got your laptop and you can see yourself a little bit peaking, you can just make that adjustment easily. This fits onto a boom mic with no effort at all. They give you a little tripod and they give you a 6.5 foot cord that goes along with this. So I think that I have to give this a thumbs up. I'm pretty darn happy that Zingyou made another great product and I'm impressed. And I'm gonna have to say Thank you again. And also, if you're just watching this for the first time, please like and subscribe. I'm a small YouTube channel on my journey trying to make it up the ranks. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.